Hello and welcome to part 8 of creating a vertical bat shooter in Unity. In this video, we'll be setting up the bullet cleanup object and setting up the enemy wave. Let's get started.
Okay, so if you have this error right here too, it has something to do with the script we had on here earlier, but we took it off because we changed a lot of things. This is probably one that we just deleted. I'm just going to remove that component. That error should go away. Hit clear. There, it's gone. I want to create an object right here that will destroy the bullets when they go off screen. Because the way I'm going to set this level up is I'm just going to have a lot of different skeletons sit over here, and they will just come on screen and either destroy this castle or be destroyed by the player. So I'm going to go to new, create 2D object, a square, and I'm going to call this bullet cleanup. Make it the width of this screen about that big, and I don't need a sprite renderer. However, I do need a box collider 2D. That's going to be a trigger. So for this bullet cleanup object, I need to go into my prefabs folder, and the fireball, I'm going to add a tag on it and call it a bullet. So now all the fireballs will be tagged with bullet. And let's see, the fireball, it has a rigid body and a collider. So I just need a collider on my bullet cleanup. Let's see, I have a box collider, it's a trigger. Now I'm going to create a script that will just destroy the bullet when it hits that. And I'm going to say bullet clean up. Now remove. Let's see, the fireball. Bullet cleanup. Didn't open. There it is. But I'm gonna use this same type of trigger. It's just gonna be on trigger enter. So I'm just gonna copy this. I'll copy this and modify it. So simple fireball, I'm copying the on trigger enter, going to bullet cleanup. I don't need the start or the update. I'm gonna say on trigger enter. I don't need this. All I need is if collision.gameObject compare tag bullet. I don't need this. All I need to do is I do need destroy, and then I need collision.gameObject. So destroy the game object that this is colliding with that has a tag bullet. Let's see if it works. Alright, I'm gonna go to scene, and the bullets are not disappearing. Fireball, oh, it's untagged. Oh, I made the tag, but I didn't give it the tag. Okay, now it has the tag. Made the tag earlier, forgot to assign it. Now the prefab has the tag. Let's go back and give this a shot. It should destroy the bullets. Go here. Bullets not being destroyed. I didn't put the script on the object, of course. Alright, now you're going to put the script on this object. Just drag the bullet cleanup on here. And now when I fire bullets, they will be destroyed. And this will help us because the way we're going to lay out this level is we're just going to take these skellies and put them over here, and then eventually they will move on screen. do want to start with these 3 right here. Start like this. Essentially, I'm going to have 3 lanes. And let's see. And I can change the speed on each of these. So this one I'm gonna make go pretty fast. Let's say move speed will be 6. And actually I'm gonna go to my prefabs and hit Control D and duplicate this Skelly 1. And I'm gonna call it Fast Skelly. And the speed will be 8. That way I can just drag it out here and I don't have to adjust the speed every time. Skelly will be normal, fast Skelly. Then I want a, make Control D again and just make med Skelly, medium Skelly, a medium speed Skelly, and medium Skelly will go 5. All right. Now I'm gonna put all these out here. Fast Skelly. Now Fast Skelly might overlap some of these slower ones, which is fine. But I'm just gonna populate some of these Skellies. And one thing I wanted to do is the way that I'm gonna, if this castle is destroyed, if you remember the castle has 3 health, then you lose. And the way you're gonna win is I duplicated Skelly a 4th time. So I have a fast, medium, and just a regular Skelly. I'm gonna call this one Big Skelly. Or how'd you call it, Boss? Boss Skelly. And I'm gonna make Boss Skelly about, I'll make him huge. Then we go down here and give him about 10 health. And this will be the boss if you destroy the boss. And I'll make him move kind of slow so everyone else could go in front of him. Maybe 4. And I put Boss Skelly out. And if you can beat Boss Skelly, you win. So I'm just gonna do a dry run in this game. See what it's like so far. Ah, too fast, too fast. Too fast. I lost. Okay, so maybe Fast Skelly is super fast. Maybe I don't want a lot of Fast Skellys out here. But this was good. It was a good dry run. Now you can just organize your level however you want. Get all these different Skellys made. Get the different speeds. And then we're going to work on the win-lose conditions.